how can we create web page on HTML, and for this purpose we will use Notepad. So guys, Notepad, once we finish all the tags on it, so we will save it with .html extension, and it will convert our page to web page. In between this, we write the tag, and whatever tag we open it, we close, but with slash sign. Okay, the first tag always it will be HTML, and the last tag will be HTML. After that, we open the tag for the heading. This tag we use for the heading head. Suppose I write here Saudi Arabia. Okay, inside head I will open the tag for the title, and in the title suppose I write Jeddah. Now what is the difference between head and the title? Head will be the heading on your page, and title will be the title on the page on the top, like you can see Untitled Notepad. So this is the title. After this, we will close HTML, close head with slash sign, and also we will close title. First we close title because we opened the head first, so we will close the head in the last. Here I close title, and then I closed head. head. After that, I am going to open the tag for the body. In the body, I can change the body color. Suppose is equal to pink, but we have to write this in inverted commas. Remember, body is the most important part in any of the web page, because all the hyperlinks, all the images, all the text we write inside the body. Okay, after that, suppose I am going to write some text here. So I wrote this text here. Okay, so now I am going to save my site, and I will show you. I will save this web page, and after that you will see how I save it and how I convert this page into web page. Web hosting. Here I am writing, suppose, Jeddah dot html. Dot html is the extension who will change this notepad page into web page. But remember, we can only see our web page now on the computer. We can see this on the browser, but everything is on our computer. Till now we did not upload our page on the server. So we will upload our page on the free server, but now you have to see how can we check our web page on our computer. Now I open this, and we save it with the name of Jeddah. So now we have converted our notepad page into the web page. After this, we will insert the images, we will create the hyperlink, The hyperlink we can create with our pages or with the websites, different websites. So here you can see now we open this page and this is our title, Jeddah. You can see in our notepad now. Our title was Jeddah. It is our title here, this, and this is Saudi Arabia. It was our head. Okay, but this Saudi Arabia, it should be heading of the page. So what will I do? I will go there and we have one tag H1 to H7. H1 is the biggest one and H7 is the smallest one. But don't forget to close this H1 or H2 or whatever you open. You have to close when you finish, because if you will not close here, so it will apply on the all the text. Okay, now I am going to save again. Best country in the world. Now we wrote this in the body. Okay, don't forget to put this, because you are opening body. Once you finish BG color, then close this. Now we are going to insert the image. So for the image we use image source is equal to and the name of the picture. Suppose I have this picture Makkah and this is JPG. Okay, so makkah.jpg. So now when I save it, I can see here there is the image. Okay, I will tell you how can we make it big or small. Okay, also you have to break the line. Suppose if you want to write something here, uh, the Mom Riyadh Jeddah. So if I write this and I save it, so you can see when I refresh, it's coming here, this line. So for this, for if we have to break the line, it means if we have to go the next line, so we use one of the tag here, BR. So it will break your line and you can use as a enter, next line. Okay, like this. If we have to make the hyperlink, so for the hyperlink we have the tag, we have ahref, and here again if we have to uh, connect with the other pages what we created, we can put it, or we can give the website here, but we have to write the whole address. You can open the website and you can write it, otherwise you can write the name if you know the correct name. Okay, this is we make the hyperlink, but this is not the whole hyperlink. We need something where we will click, so we will go in this hyperlink. So suppose I write here Google, and on the last I have to close A, because this is the ahref hyperlink reference. So I will close with this sign. I will save it. So now you can see here there is a Google, but it's very small, so you can use if you want again H1, but don't forget to close. And now I save it and I refresh this, so you can see here Google. Once I click on Google, so the Google website will be open. So okay guys, so now you can start your test, and best of luck.